Why Coca-Cola originally contained cocaine. Today, Coca-Cola is one of the most popular soft drinks in the world, but few people realize that the original recipe contained an ingredient that would shock most people today: cocaine. The story begins in 1886 with a pharmacist from Atlanta, Georgia named John Stith Pemberton. At the time, many medicines contained ingredients that would be considered dangerous or highly controlled today. Cocaine was legal, widely available, and commonly used in medical products. Pemberton was searching for a new health tonic that people would enjoy drinking. He created a syrup made from sugar, flavorings, caffeine-rich kola nuts, and extract from coca leaves, the same plant used to produce cocaine. That's where Coca-Cola got its name. The coca came from coca leaves, while the cola came from kola nuts. Originally, Coca-Cola wasn't marketed as a soft drink. It was sold as a patent medicine and advertised as a remedy for headaches, fatigue, and nervousness. Customers could purchase a glass at soda fountains for just 5 cents. In the late 1800s, few people understood the long-term dangers of cocaine. Doctors sometimes prescribed it, and it appeared in everything from medicines to toothache treatments. Because of this, the ingredient did not raise concerns among consumers. However, as the years passed, scientists and doctors began learning more about cocaine's risks. Reports of addiction and health problems started to increase. Public opinion gradually shifted, and companies faced pressure to remove cocaine from products. By the early 1900s, Coca-Cola began changing its formula. The company started using spent coca leaves, which contained little to no active cocaine. Eventually, the drink no longer contained the drug that had once been part of its recipe. Interestingly, coca leaves are still involved in Coca-Cola's production today. A specially licensed company processes coca leaves and removes the controlled substances before certain flavoring ingredients are used. The process is heavily regulated and very different from the original formula. Another surprising fact is that Coca-Cola was not the only product containing cocaine during that era. Many medicines and tonics included it because people believed it had health benefits. Looking back, it seems unbelievable, but medical understanding was very different more than a century ago. Despite the controversy, Coca-Cola's popularity continued to grow. The company shifted its focus from medicine to refreshment and became one of the most recognizable brands on Earth. Today, billions of servings are consumed every year in countries around the globe. So the next time you open a can of Coca-Cola, remember that you're drinking a product with a surprisingly unusual past. More than a century ago, America's most famous soft drink started as a medicinal tonic made from coca leaves. And yes, it once contained cocaine.